Hi guys, so my name is Mike Yanossi. I've been playing the didgeridoo for 11 years. Since 2019 I'm doing full-time music, which I love. And I do singing, guitar and didgeridoo are my main instruments. So in this video I want to talk to you about the didgeridoo connection. So it's something that seems very evident that we need to connect to the didgeridoo, but the didgeridoo connection is actually also spiritual and physical. So physical, I think you understand. You need an instrument in order to play it. And the spiritual side is how you perceive this instrument and how you perceive its possibilities, because it has so many. And if you understand the connection, then you will see even more of what it's able to do if you can do it yourself. So I will talk to you about the weaknesses, advantages of the connection, a few exercises, and that you do need one thing in order for connection to work. You need a good didgeridoo. So bad didgeridoos don't give a very, very good connection. You will not be able to learn this part. One of them doesn't need any connection at all, and I guess you know which one it is. Huh? It is the no drone that I'm talking about. No drone. One of the 6 sounds actually require weak connection. Can you guess? So in order to understand what connection we're talking about, I took a photo of myself. Not that I'm pretty. I will try to draw on that picture the distances so that you understand better, because we don't really see with the eyes if we're doing a weak connection or a strong, or even the fat lips. We can hear it, however. That's the hard part with the didgeridoo, that we don't see what's going on in the mouth. We see how it comes out. I was talking about the distances. You can be disconnected, weak connection, medium connection, strong, or the fat lips, which are the strongest sound we can make with our mouth, on the didgeridoo. So all of these sounds that we can do will require a certain connection. Now the advantages to a strong connection is that the sound becomes more clear, the harmonics become louder, and we perceive the instrument as more present. The more you put your lips inside the mouthpiece of the didgeridoo, the stronger your connection will become. So the weaknesses of the connection is actually, I think many people don't really understand what it is for distances. And even some people don't have that good didgeridoos to understand the fat lips and how it works. I'll show you so you can hear from weak, medium, strong, and fat lips. So what happened at the end was quite interesting. I squeezed the ball so tight that it exploded. The drone goes. I will also show you with my homemade didgeridoo. I give didgeridoo lessons as well. And in case you don't have your own didgeridoo, I make. So if you come to me for a lesson and you don't have your didgeridoo, I sell these. I make these myself. It's actually for a pipe. It's very good. Its abilities are very high compared to what it is. But quite good didgeridoos. So the sound of the didgeridoo is similar to singing. When we sing, our voice should be loud, and by being loud, it will be clear. But it will be to make it even more beautiful. You can go in tones that are very loud to tones that are very weak, and this gives a huge beauty, and that's what is amazing about the voice, or the didgeridoo, or any other instrument. If you can understand how we can play something softly and then play it loudly, so if we can balance the two, then it's perfect. If you listen up to here, then that's good. I will show you an exercise how you can improve your connection to the didgeridoo. So it's supposed to be slow exercises where you connect fully to the mouthpiece and you experiment between weak and strong. The difficulties will arise when you accelerate the rhythm, when you make it more complicated. But let's just do a simple one. I will write down the breathing pattern on it so you can do it yourself as well. Remember, slow and connect to the mouthpiece. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it useful, that it will help you in your didgeridoo evolution. And tell me what you think, if there's something I missed out or something that motivated you, so you can let me know. You can contact me directly or just subscribe to the channel. And don't hesitate to visit my website. Bye bye.